Hello, I am recording the video and today's topic is ASP.NET MVC overview. The model view controller MVC architectural pattern separates an application into three main components: the model, the view, and the controller. The ASP.NET MVC framework provides an alternative to the ASP.NET Web Forms pattern for creating MVC based web applications. The MVC.NET MVC framework is a lightweight, highly testable presentation framework that, as with web form based applications, is integrated with existing ASP.NET features such as master pages and membership based authentication. The MVC framework is defined in the system.web.mvc namespace and is a fundamental supported part of the system.web namespace. MVC is a standard design pattern that many developers are familiar with. Some types of web applications will benefit from the MVC framework. Others will continue to use the traditional ASP.NET application pattern that is based on web forms and postback. Other types of the web application will combine the two approaches. Neither approach excludes the other. Models. Model objects are the parts of the application that implement the logic for the application data domain. Often, model objects retrieve and store model state in a database. For example, a product object might retrieve information from a database, operate on it, and then write update information back to the product table in SQL Server. In small application, the model is often a conceptual separation instead of physical one. For example, if the application only reads a data set and sends it to the view, the application does not have a physical model layer and associated classes. In that case, the data set takes on the role of model object. Views. Views are the component that display the application user interface. Typically, this UI is created from the model data. An example would be an edit view of a products table that displays text boxes, drop-down list, and checkboxes based on the current state of a product object. Controllers. Controllers are the component that handle user interaction, work with the model, and ultimately select a view to render that display. UI. In an MVC applications, the view only displays information. The controller handles the response to user input and interaction. For example, the controller handles query string values and passes these values to the model, which in turn queries the database by using the values. The MVC pattern helps you create application that separates the different aspects of the application: input logic, business logic, and UI logic, while providing a loose coupling between these elements. The pattern specifies where each kind of logic should be located in the application. The UI logic belongs in the view. Input logic belongs in the controller. Business logic belong in the model. This separation helps you manage complexity when you build an application because it enables you to focus on one aspect of the implementation at a time. For example, you can focus on the view without depending on the business logic. In addition to managing complexity, the MVC pattern makes it easier to test application than it's to test a web forms based application. For example, in a web form based ASP.NET web application, a single class is used both to display output and to respond to user input. Writing automated tests for web forms based ASP.NET application can be complex because to test an individual page, you must initiate the page class, all its style controls, and additional dependent classes in the application. Because so many classes are instantiated to run the page, it can be hard to write tests that focus exclusively on individual part of the application. Tests for web form based ASP.NET application can therefore be more difficult to implement than tests in an MVC application. Moreover, tests in a web form based ASP.NET application require a web server that MVC framework decouples the components and makes heavy use of interface, which make it possible to test individual component in isolation from the rest of the framework. The loose coupling between the three main components of an MVC application also promotes parallel development. For instance, one developer can work on the view, a second developer can work on the controller logic, and the third developer can focus on the business logic in the model. Advantages of an MVC based application. The ASP.NET MVC framework offers the following advantages. First, it makes it easier to manage complexity by dividing an application into the model, the view, and the controller. Second, it does not use view state or several based forms. This makes the MVC framework ideal for developers who want full control over the behavior of an application. Third, it uses a front controller pattern that processes web application requests through a single controller. This enables you to design an application that supports a rich routing infrastructure. Fourth, it provides better support for test-driven development. Fifth, it works well for web applications that are supported by large team of developer and web designer who need a high degree of control over the application behavior. Advantages of a web forms based web application. The web form based framework offers the following advantages. First, it supports an event model that preserves state over HTTP, which benefits line of business web application development. The web form based application provides dozens of events that are supported in hundreds of server controls. Second, it uses a page controller pattern that add functionality to individual page. Third, it uses view state or several based forms which can make managing state information easier. Fourth, it works well for small teams of web developers and designers who want to take advantage of the large number of the components available for rapid application development. Fifth, in general, it is less complex for application development because the components, the page class, controls, and so on are tightly integrated and usually require the code than the MVC model. Thank you.